There are many devices that you can use to connect to the internet. Desktop computers have a separate screen and keyboard, while laptop computers are built all in one piece. Smartphones and tablets also let you connect to the internet and tend to be simpler to use. With these types of mobile devices, you touch the screen to type and do things instead of using a keyboard. Some tasks like filling out forms can be easier to do on a desktop or laptop rather than a phone or a tablet. But certain things can be easier to do, like watching videos and sending emails. All smartphones and tablets have cameras built in, making it easy to take photos and videos and have video chats. Most newer laptops have cameras built into them, but desktop computers don't. If you are using a desktop computer and want to have video chats, you'll need to get a camera called a webcam. There are lots of different companies that make devices that connect to the internet, but there are only a few operating systems. An operating system, or OS, is basically the computer program that makes your device work and lets your device run other programs that allow you to do things like email. The OS runs as soon as you turn on the device. There are 3 common OSs for computers: Windows, Chrome, and Mac. There are lots of different types of computers that run Windows. These are sometimes called PCs. And Chrome OSs. These are called Chromebooks. Only computers made by a company called Apple run the Mac OS. There are just 2 common OSs for phones and tablets: iOS and Android. Lots of manufacturers make devices that run Android, but only Apple makes devices that run iOS. If you don't know which kind of device you have, turn it on and look for one of these icons: Android or Apple. You can also look at the back of the device for information about the manufacturer or type of phone. If you don't have a device yet and you're thinking about buying one, the OS is probably the most important choice. If you know someone who has used one kind of OS for a long time, then by choosing the same OS, you know you'll have someone to turn to if you need help. For more information on online basics, check out the other videos in the series. Visit our website at telus.com/wiseonlinebasics.